This is the beginning of a reseller series that I just started about cleaning and repairing items and giving it a second life. I'm going to be doing my personal shoes on this, a pair of really dirty Converse All-Stars that I have. I'll be using the EBkicks sneaker care kit. It's a really good deal. It's well worth the $39.95. It's regular about $54.95. It says on the website that the kit will protect up to 100 pairs of shoes, but you can also use this on like bags, your purses and stuff, and other items as well. Comes with the 2 sponges, the bristle brush, and that white quick touch white, and then 2 bottles of the cleaner and conditioner. I've used this a couple times already and I love it. It's really good for complete white leather shoes. It gets them so clean. You just wet your brush a little bit and put a couple of drops of that cleaner conditioner on there, and you just start scrubbing. I probably should have threw these in the washer before I cleaned the white parts of the shoes, but these are my work shoes and I planned on going somewhere, so I just wanted to clean them up really fast. But I did give them a good little scrub on the fabric. It doesn't hurt it, but they actually lightened up a little bit once they dried. But you just go over with the brush, get them pretty clean. I just kind of cleaned off my brush, rinsed it off, put a little bit more on there. I didn't want to rub the dirty water into the fabric. But it really only took a couple of minutes to clean the shoe. You'll see at the end. Oops. Dropped the bottle. I'm so clumsy. Forgive me. I am getting it all over my shirt and my hair as well. I was just kind of in a hurry. But it's like super easy. I just really need to take out the shoestrings and just toss them into the wash. They're a really lightly colored canvas sneaker, so I don't think I'll ever get them like immaculate like I first bought them, but the whites of these shoes will turn out amazing, as you can see in the end. I just wiped them down. I'm hoping this series will help introduce you to new products that you may not have known about. I haven't actually seen anybody use this kit. Made such a mess. There's a few more spots that I missed on the front and the back. I've seen these kits advertised all over Instagram, so I thought that I would give it a shot, and I'm glad I did. It was actually a really good investment. I really don't buy dirty shoes like this, so it normally wouldn't take me this long to clean a pair of shoes that I was planning on reselling. But like I said, these are my personal shoes. I thought I would give you guys a peek at something really dirty. And then this is the white touch-up stuff. It takes a little bit to prime it. I try over and over to get it to come out. As you can see, nothing's coming out. So eventually I get a paper towel and I just go after it until it comes out. Here it comes. And of course I get it all over me. I'm a mess. I was getting it all over the black line and I just went ahead and wiped it down. Off again. Like I said, if you have all white shoes, it makes it so much easier. Sorry, it's out of frame. The front cleaned up really well. I always wondered how guys could keep their shoes like super clean. Well, girls too. But like the sneakerheads, like looks like they just bought their shoes brand new. You know, they've had them a while though. See, look at the one I've cleaned and then the one that is like super dirty still. That is so amazing. I put a link to the EBkicks website in the description, so if you're interested in purchasing this, just check it out. Thanks for watching.